Hi, this is Eric Kruger from StrataCom, and I'm going to give you a little demo of our public demo site of our StrataCom Cherwell mobile client. So this is a SaaS offering you can hook up to your Cherwell environment, and it's completely customizable. And you can show your custom objects, custom fields, actions, run one steps, do pretty much whatever you do out of Cherwell, but only in a mobile form that'll run great on a phone, a tablet, a laptop, whatever you want. So the URL is right here on the site, cherwellmobile.com/public-demo. So you can go to that. And then the logins are right here at the top. Andrew, Bruce, Claire, and Emma, and the password is just password. So if we log in as Andrew, just put in password and log in. Now, of course, for your site, you can log in with your LDAP users, Windows users, or SAML. We support SAML redirects, so you can log in with that. You can do your two-factor authentication, whatever you want to do. So that'll take you to the home screen. Here from the home screen, you can do a few things. You can look at tickets and work tickets. You can create a new ticket or scan a barcode. Let's just take a look at some tickets, and I'll show you some of the new features. If you're familiar with our existing mobile client, this has got a few upgrades and a few more features. So I'm just going to take a look at a query. So these are just global queries that we tag to run in the mobile client. So I'm just going to look at all open incident tasks. Take a look at that query. So that just runs the global query from your environment, all open incident tasks. You can see any of these fields that you see here are customizable. You just check a box to show the field or to not show the field. So I'll have another video on how that all works. So you could see whatever fields you want on here, and you can also sort. So if we wanted to sort by status, we could do that. And so you can see that sorting there, so whatever field. And if you're on a tablet or if you flip your phone, you can actually sort just by tapping on the column header. So I've flipped here, but it won't show in this recording very well. So I'm just going to leave you, when you come to this, just flip your phone and you can see you can just tap on the column headings to look at those. So I'm just going to take a look at one of these incidents. I'll show you some of the new features. So we have some new navigation features, so you can navigate the list of records just by tapping on the arrows down here. So you can go through your records that way. You can also, might notice that the actions that used to be here are now right here. So you can do any of the actions that you could have done from our old action toolbar, or action bar, are now in our action toolbar. So any of the actions that you would want to do, these are just some out-of-the-box actions that you would have in out-of-the-box systems. So we've also got some related record functionality. So if I wanted to look at the customer's contact card, I can just tap on that. You can see it's highlighted. It'll just link to their contact information. And of course, whatever you want to show on here, it's really easy to add new fields to the customer contact card. And we can also look at the owned by. So this is the Cherwell user's information. So if you wanted a phone number or an email for the Cherwell user it was assigned to, you could also do that. You can also see we've got some related records down here, so we can look at tasks. So just tap on the tasks, and these are all the related tasks to this incident. And if I click on one of those, I can see I've kind of got the same sort of navigation, so I can go from task to task. I can see, I can look at the user information here. This doesn't have any contact information. And then I can also do actions, so I can do the actions on these tasks. So just like I'm working my incident. So, and I can go back to the incident, and these are actually sliders. So if you're looking at these tasks, you can actually slide back and forth. So this is actually 3 screens. You can kind of see it down here. Stuff you can kind of see if I slide. It's a little hard to slide in this browser stack, but you can slide back and forth between those, or use the navigation here to slide back and forth. So. So those are some of the new features. I'll have some other videos on how to do some of these. I'm trying to keep these short. So once again, if you go to cherwellmobile.com/public-demo, you can do that on your phone or tablet or other device and log in with one of these logins. Thanks.